Hare Krishna. Today I'll be talking not for much long. We have with us today we have with us Swati uh, Pandit, and then there are a few more names. Let me read out. Swati Pandit. Then we have wait a minute. Somebody is joining in. I thought there were only we two, but there are 10 more. Okay, anyways, let them all join one by one and we will start up the talk. They can hear too. So, we have today's topic I'm going to speak on uh, the puzzle of ignorance. What is ignorance and is it a puzzle? So, what is ignorance? Ignorance is darkness, they say. Krishna hai Suryasam, Maya hai Andhakar. Jaha Krishna, Taha. Jaha Krishna, Taha. What's next? The puzzle of ignorance gets solved. So, what is the puzzle of ignorance? What is ignorance? The ignorance is about our own state. Who are we? Now you'll say, I know I have so many clearances in staying in the United States. I have so many ID cards. I have state ID, I have this ID, I have driving license, I have my work permit, I am having my own, documents, and then I have so many other documents from the law offices, so many clearances I have. I have also filed many patents in my name. There are so many research papers out in my name. So I'm a very big personality here in the United States as per the standards required. So one can say of his identity like that. But when it comes to the other side that is seeking a higher goal, then if you meet such a personality who is onto the path of higher goal, he will not be satisfied with your answer. He'll say, yes, these are all your achievements. But what after death? Are these going to go with you? So he'll ask you that. After death, what next? Is this achievement going with you? No, it's not going with you. So definitely, these are not your achievements. They are just for this lifetime. They are so very for much, a fraction of a second. Like there are so many insects, they take birth and then they instantly die also. So many. In the rainy season, you can see so many flies are there. They spring suddenly and all of a sudden, and then they die instantly, and they are all over the places. You see in the rainy season. So, is your life like that? Definitely not. When you had so much achievements, you definitely had some higher consciousness and some intelligence. But you did not use that higher consciousness in the right direction. You used it to satisfy your the little requirements that seem to be the world to you. So this puzzle of ignorance is one that has to be solved by each and every individual, by each and every human being in his human birth. So the puzzle of ignorance is the quest of every individual, and the ignorance is about his own identity. So then one will say, what is that? Do you mean we have an identity crisis facing? Yes, it is an identity crisis because if in the family, if you are sleeping, your family member calls out to you, instantly you give a yes. Oh, let me sleep again. In the sleep, you're talking, you're called, wake up, wake up. Oh, John, John, John. Suddenly, John wakes up and he's like, oh, let me go to sleep again. Isn't it? Then, in the sleep, also, he can respond. But if, suppose, a Vaishnava or a sadhu, like some great, saint has to call out to that person, he will not respond to it because he has identified himself with something else, not by the identity that the sadhu has for him or the saint has for him. So that's the difference. This is the ignorance, and this is the puzzle. All others call out to me, John, 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 I respond. But when a sadhu he calls out to me, I do not hear it. Why? Because this is ignorance. I don't know who I am. The sadhu knows you are a soul, but he's calling, but you're not responding to him. So this ignorance has to be solved, and this is the puzzle. Since long time we are facing this, and in this human birth we can be lucky enough to attend to it and resolve it once for all. And this is the message for today. Hare Krishna.